Hi guys, this is the new 557S action cam which I recently bought in the gearbest.com. It cost around like $40. I bought it in the flash sale. I'll just give the link of the product in my description. Okay guys, let's start it. So this camera is, let's see the quick specification details of this. This camera consists of the Sony IMX078 image sensor, CMOS sensor. It's a 12 megapixel camera, and its the resolution ranges from 12 megapixel to 3 megapixel. It shoots around 2160 pixels at 24 fps, say 2.5K videos, and its battery capacity is around like 1050 mAh, and it is a detachable battery, and it supports around 64 GB memory card. It's always recommended to use a class 10 memory card for the action cam, and you also get basic USB 2.0 connection, HDMI cable, and AV cable. This cam consists of all the necessary accessories like waterproof case and other things, USB cable and all. I just unbox it to see what all the things we have inside. I'll just keep this aside. And brandings, stickers and all here. This is the camera. We just keep it aside, and we can take the box. You can see all the accessories they are being provided. See, this is a bicycle mount. This is extra case for the camera, and these are all the helmet mounts, other mounts, and on cloth, fiber cloth. So these many things we have got in this box. Just keep this aside, and we got this Firefly 7S with waterproof case mount itself. You can see the waterproof case mount, and it's resistant about 20 meters. Just take the cam. It has a secondary display also. The main display is this consists of 2 inches. I will just switch on the cam. Just long press it. The branding comes. Here you can see the camera screen. Now again press the back menu to go for the movie settings, photo settings, time lapse, burst, and other settings. This camera also consists of Wi-Fi option, so that you can also connect with your smartphone. Just download the Hawkeye app in App Store or Google Play. That's your app. Then you get a bunch of settings with the camera, like LED turn on, screen off, timestamps, screensaver, timer, gyroscope, everything, and ISO, exposure control, color, sharpness, and lots of settings. I will just give the sample pictures and video samples before the end of the video. I will just suggest this camera because it fits in the budget. Camera consists of some buttons, hardware buttons. See, this is up and down button, and this is the select button. This is the mode button, and you also get some ports like AV ports and USB charging port and some mic, and you also get a external slot which supports about 64 GB. So I just put some 32 GB card, and I'm using it. And so the battery life of the camera will come around like 2 hours. and it's a quite good quality cam which people can afford.
I am using this camera for all my rides. This is a quite good quality cam at daylight and even in nights, and quality of the microphone is okay. So I just recommend this camera for you guys.